Mm. Peter, did you get your shell?
Yeah.
You got your shell?
Yeah. No. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Come. Hey, look. Come here. Look. Come here. Peter, come here. Hey. Hey, look. Huh? Come on, Peter. Let's go find some bad guys. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go find some bad guys. La la la. La. Whee! Let's go find some bad guys.
Another one is sold for $192,525. This unit at $190,000 is the lowest active unit. In my opinion, I think it's condition. They replace appliances. They have new air conditioning, new windows.
Peter, say hi.
No, I'm not saying hi. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Pat.
I'm not Peter. I'm Pat.
I know, but I wanted Peter to say hi. So I said, hi, Peter. Hi, Pat.